All right, guys, welcome to another video. So I want to believe you guys can properly see my screen. So I'm just going to be talking about what is currently happening with the crypto space. Let me just quickly get into my crypto portfolio. So today we'll be looking at exactly what is happening with the market. Now, we have seen massive gains across all the cryptocurrencies today. Like all of them is just in massive profit. We have seen 30% gain on XRP today. We have seen 9% gain on Bitcoin. We have seen 21% gain on Solana. But the highest of all so far is XRP. XRP. So XRP today, today, what got me the most, because I didn't actually plan to make this video. But what got me to make this video today was just simply because I saw somebody commented on my post that I made a few minutes ago, and the person said he was able to pay his house rent because of the video I made on XRP. Now, if you have been following my channel, you know as what I mostly talk about is anything investments, crypto investments, Forex investments, gold investments, anything that has to do with making good passive income. I would always bring those topics to you. And the beautiful thing about how I present this is that you don't have to have so much money. If you have $1 is enough for you to get in on all this investment I've been talking about, even as low as $2, $3, $5. You don't have to have the entire universe. You don't have to have $100,000 stacked up before you can get in on some of the investments I present on this channel. So if you want to take your finances seriously in 2025, you want to make sure you're subscribing to this channel. All right. Some of the information I'm actually bringing here, I know people who charge so much for them. I know people who charge as much as $5,000 for just the same signals that I'm bringing to you, which obviously is not financial advice, by the way. But some of the signals and some of the positions I'm taking that I would usually come here to announce, other people are taking it and actually making so much money, and some people are even charging for the same thing I'm even giving out for free in this channel. I don't know anywhere else that they do it. A lot of people, these gurus come and they tell you they speak different kind of English, but at the end of the day you lose money. Me, I'm not actually out for the money. I've made the money already. I don't need any money from you guys. I just do this because I feel like, I just want to help people. With the way the economy is, a lot of people could use some good investments vehicles that could actually help their life, improve the quality of their life. And by the way, then again, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing most of my experiences or positions I'm taking personally. So that's just what it is. But something interesting has happened today, even though I was so happy about the fact that somebody who watched my video, I don't know, is a follower of mine, said, he was able to pay his rent because of the video I made on XRP. Now, I don't know how many of you on here who watched the XRP video I made. It's actually a video before the most recent one, where I predicted XRP, and I said I expect XRP to bounce off this support or possibly touch this upward trend line, and then I expect to see a bigger move. If I zone out a little, let me go to the weekly time frame. If I go to the weekly time frame, you can see this arrow that I drew, and I just simply explained that I expect to see a retest on this level and straight to the upside, so we can see. Look at that beautiful candle right there. Look at that beautiful candle right there. All right, so I entered here. Actually, I've been holding XRP. I think I got in here, I held it way down, I added to my positions around this place, and today I'm already in 30% profit. All right, I'm speaking for my own self, right? That is the power of technical analysis, right? I know, as a trader, you need to have different things, but if you have really sound technical analysis skill, trust me, you can be making so much money. so much money. So you can see that beautiful retest off of this upward trend line. Let me see how long this trend line has been holding. This trend line has been holding for since November of 2024. We have seen the constant rise in the price of XRP. I'm actually anticipating XRP to get to $4.02, but currently it's sitting at 2 points. It actually touched let me see, it actually touched $3 today, but it's currently retracing, as you know, a lot of people now be selling off their profits. So we're seeing some huge retracements right now. You can see that bearish candle forming. So we just saw that XRP bounced off of this support, this upward trend line, and bounced, came to this support. You can see that support right there. You can see that beautiful retest off of that support. You can see it here, and boom, and it went straight up. You can go watch my old video on XRP to confirm what I'm saying. I actually made a video, and I put it up here, and anybody who watched that video for sure must have made so much money. Now somebody just paid his house rent just from the video I made. This is the power of crypto, guys. If you want to be wealthy in 2025, you have to have crypto into your investment portfolio. Then again, this is not investment advice, but I'm just telling you some of the things I am doing and it's working. And people who are dumb enough to also, join me on my, because I don't believe I'm a genius, because sometimes I do make mistakes. Sometimes this also could have gone sideways. This could have gone way lower than this, right? But today, thank God, we are in massive, beautiful profit. Beautiful. So I'm actually taking off, I've taken out some profits already. I've cashed out some profits. And if you are interested in, joining me on this journey, on this XRP journey, then you want to subscribe to this channel. I'll be adding to my positions, but I'm just waiting for right now, if you buy, you might go into losses. So I would advise that you don't get in now, but in the future, in the coming days, weeks, or hours, once I see a very good opportunity to get in an XRP, I'll be trading live. I'll be showing you live as I'm adding more positions, and I'm getting in again on XRP. I just took out some profits, but I'll be getting in again pretty soon. If you want to be a part of this, you want to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, let me know whatever questions you have. I will try to answer them as much as possible. But as of today, we can see the beautiful move of XRP straight to the upside. A lot of people are rejoicing today, and if you don't know the fundamentals behind why this surge just came, this upward rally came, it was because of something Donald Trump posted on Truth Social. Here's the post. It says a US crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the presidential working group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, Solana, and ADA. I will make sure the US is the crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again. So we can see that a tweet of Donald Trump on the what should we call it, on his Truth Social actually caused the big move that we're seeing today, and we're reaping the benefits of it. In the coming days, I'll actually be releasing some crypto assets that I think every person who wants to be wealthy in 2025 needs to hold. Right? Some of them, I'm going to be talking about the ones I am holding. That I anticipate will bring massive profits. XRP is still going to go way higher, of course. I have some projections already set. But I'm looking to get in on more if I see a good retracement. Let's say if I see a good retracement back to this daily support, I would get in here and then take it upward more. But if that happens, that'd be great. If I see retracement and I see that, okay, I could also probably get in on this daily support here. I could get in there as well, and then if it dips again, I'm still going to just get in on this retracement to this daily support and then take it upward. So if you want to join me on this journey, subscribe to the channel. Let me know whatever questions you have, and for those of you, apart from the the fact that Donald Trump administration is heavy on XRP, there's also some fundamentals, that support XRP. Usually I tell you, before you invest in any crypto assets, you want to find out what is the utility of that asset. What is the utility of that asset? That's some of the things I look at before investing in any crypto project. I've been doing crypto for years now. Trust me, some of the profits, huge profits I've made, has actually come from crypto rather than the forex market. I just recently started trading forex, and which I'll be talking about in coming videos. But I've been in crypto for a minute, right? And trust me, crypto is one of those investment vehicles that can change your life in seconds if you know how to play the game right. It's all about timing. Getting in, like those of us who got in this place, we are rejoicing right now. We are in so much profit, right? But anybody buying now, I'm sorry, the train already left. You just be sorry, I have a cough. You just be you'll be having some form of loss. Except if you're a long-term investor and you're ready to hold it for years, then of course it doesn't matter when you buy, because definitely the price will always still be up. Talking about some of the reasons why XRP is doing well and will do well in the future is, there are a few coins that met up with the ISO requirements for 2025. I just want to quickly pull that up. So good. Now, there's something that was released, the ISO compliant cryptocurrencies in 2025. Now, what is the ISO? The ISO 20022 is a standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, for the exchange of electronic payments between banks. Its goal is to unify all existing message formats into a single language called the Extensible Markup Language, XML, right? Which makes data processing easier. This standard covers methods for creating business models, rules for describing business processes, and procedures for designing schemes and message formats, including their descriptions. Now, you can go read up on all these things, but there are a few coins that actually meet up with these ISO standards. What this ISO standard is helping to do is, in the future, some banks are looking to start using the blockchain technology in how they transact with each other. Now, there are a few cryptocurrencies, and for them to be able to do that, there's some level of standard. There are some certain things, whatever platform they use has to have. Okay, and so they created the ISO, which is an international standard of organization for cryptocurrencies. So, meaning if they eventually migrate into blockchain, there will be some cryptocurrencies or some crypto projects that will aid the bank in how they transact with each other, which is something that is going to happen in the future. They're already preparing for it. And Ripple, XRP, the Ripple network, happens to be one of those coins that has eventually met up with that ISO standard. Not every coin, most of the coins you're seeing out there are shitty coins. That's what I call them. But this coin has actually met up with that ISO. So, meaning the upward potential for XRP is unmatched. There are just few coins that has actually met up with that ISO standard: Ripple, XRP, XLM, and Cardano. If you notice, Cardano also did super well. I think Cardano made around 20% today. So you can see, and Trump, you can see that Trump, let's look at it: XRP, ISO, remember, Solana, and ADA, which is Cardano. Two of those coins that actually met up with this ISO standard is what Donald Trump has actually mentioned. So if you're wise, you will start building positions on XRP, XLM, ADA, right? Because definitely, as America is also planning to make the United States the crypto reserve of the world, these coins will also do massively. So if you are wise, you would get in at the right time. And if you're looking to get in at the right time, then you want to join me. Follow this channel, subscribe. Whatever questions you have, place them in the comments and I'll make out time to come and answer them. All right, so that will be all. I just came on here to, sort of I was so excited for, that at least even if I wasn't able to help 1,000 people, if I helped just one person, with some of the advice I gave, and the person was able to act on it and made some money that was able to pay his rent. That was really amazing. I remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Anything I share here is my own experience, right, out of my own knowledge, which could be wrong. Okay, so but thank God, I was right today. Maybe tomorrow, who knows, I could be wrong. It happens in trading. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but when you win big. That's what matters. So yeah, like, subscribe, share this with other people, like share this with your friends, share this with people, because things like this don't happen all the time. We are in a special time in the world. New millionaires will emerge because of these opportunities we are seeing in the crypto space. If you want to follow up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.